G'day, Jason Hodges here with a little review on Natural Impressions Duostone. Now this is a great DIY product for lots of reasons. For starters, they're nice and light, they're a manageable size, so you can move a lot of them before you get tired. But I like the fact that they've got a bit of style about them. Now we call them black, and when we say black, we mean black. Other blacks are usually just a shade of grey, and black in the garden is fantastic for making your greens, whether it be your garden or your lawn, really pop. It's bang on trend. And I like the texture. There's a smooth face and a rock face, so you've got a contrast which really draws your eye. But the reason why it's so DIY friendly is the way they're made. If you flip it on its side, you can see that they're narrow at the back, which means you can turn them around on themselves and create concave or convex. So you can create circles or even have your retaining walls sort of meander through the garden, not just a straight boring line. And as far as putting them together, well, if you start with a nice flat level footing, it's as simple as sliding one behind the other because they've got this nice little lip on them. You can go to 700mm high without any engineering, and you can do a lot with 700mm. If you wanted to flatten off a slope, you could build your wall and get a nice flat area. Or if you want a raised garden bed so you've got free draining soil for your veggies, it is perfect. So that's the Natural Impressions Duostone. I reckon you can find a job for it in your backyard this weekend.